You can filter data by adding a slicer very easily. To do this, I have added some data. Now, we should select the range of data we need to filter. Next, press Ctrl plus T and make the tick to My table has headers. Now, press Enter. Next, you can go to Insert Options and click on Slicer. Now, in my data, I need to filter the regions. So, I am marking a tick on regions and press Enter. Now, I can see the regions has been added to the slicer panel. So, if I click on a region, it will filter the data for me. So, it will be very easy to filter data with slicer. So, if you want to filter two tabs, you can simply press Shift and select the other. And to clear, you can click over Clear Filter.